Here we'll go through a few of the different types of strikes that you'll be using. Now the first is a Lobtik, or simply a through strike. This is just a normal strike, the type that people would automatically do if you give them a stick, a pipe, or a bat. You strike all the way through your target. Next, we have the Witik, which is a bounce back, half strike, or broken strike. You'll hear any of those three terms used. For this one, you simply strike out halfway until you hit your target and then immediately pull back. This strike has a whipping or snapping motion to it. The Abiniko is the fan strike. This strike will vigorously whip back and forth in both directions. It can be horizontal or vertical. It can go to the head, the arm, the body, or the leg. Now, most people think it's called this because of the fanning type of motion, but it's actually more to do with the shape that the stick makes when it's fanning or whipping back and forth. It looks like a fan leaf from a palm tree. This strike is extremely fast and very difficult to block. You're using the end of the stick in a snapping type of motion, and it will break the skin. I've seen it split people's heads open, and it can also either knock you out or make you very dizzy and allow the opponent to come in for the finish. It's difficult to get power at first, but once most people get used to it, it becomes their favorite strike. The last one that we'll look at is the Redondo. This is just a big circular strike. It can be forward or backward. It can be horizontal or vertical. It can also go diagonal. It's just a big circular type of motion using the shoulder. As we go through this series, you'll see more and more types of strikes that will be introduced.